What if better sleep didn't come from doing more, but from doing one small thing at the right moment? A lot of women I work with tell me the same thing. I'm tired, but I still can't fall asleep easily. And usually they think they need a full nighttime routine to fix it. But most of the time, that's not what's missing. What's missing is a bridge between your busy day and actually letting your body wind down. See, research shows that our busy day hormones, like cortisol, don't just switch off because we're tired. Scientists call this psychological arousal. It's like trying to stop a car going 60 miles per hour without hitting the brakes. Your mind keeps racing even after the lights go out because it hasn't received the signal that it's safe to shift into rest mode. That's where this started for my client, Linda. See, she wasn't going to overhaul her evenings, but she was getting into bed every night. So we used that. Before she lay down, I had her take 30 seconds to gently stretch. No plan, no pressure, just a pause. She told me, that almost feels too simple to matter. But simple is exactly what makes it stick. And what that tiny pause did for her sleep is worth seeing. This works because you're not adding something new, you're linking to it. There's a concept in behavior science called implementation intentions, which I've mentioned in previous videos. And all it really means is this: you decide ahead of time, when this happens, I do this. So instead of hoping you'll remember to stretch, your brain starts to connect the dots. Bed equals stretch. No debate. No, I'll do it tomorrow. And there's another benefit here that really matters. Gentle movement right before bed helps your body shift gears. It eases muscle tension, slows things down, and signals that it's safe to rest. Linda said after a few nights, I feel like my body's actually ready for sleep now. That's the difference. You're not chasing sleep. You're setting the stage for it. But here's what we didn't do, and this is important. We didn't turn this into a routine. We didn't say, okay, now do 10 different stretches. We didn't add a checklist. We didn't try to make it perfect, because that's usually where things fall apart. Instead, we kept it small enough that it felt almost automatic. Just a few seconds of movement, that's it. And then something interesting happened. After about 2 weeks, she didn't stop at 30 seconds. Not because she had to, but because it started to feel good. So she stretched it into a minute, then a couple of minutes, until it became a short, easy 3-minute flow. Same moment, same place, just a little more depth. That's how real habits grow. They don't start big, they become bigger. And if you're thinking, I want that kind of consistency, there's a simple way to begin. If starting feels like the hardest part, that's exactly why I put together my 7-day menopause belly solution, because most women don't need another strict plan. They need guidance that actually fits into real life. Inside, I show you how to build small habits like this around your day, not on top of it, so you can feel better, sleep better, and start seeing changes without overwhelm. I'll leave the details below if you want to take a look. You don't need a routine. You just need a starting move. Tonight, when you go into bed, before you lie down, just try this. Reach your arms up, bring one knee in, gently twist to the side, and then switch legs. No timer, no rules. The only goal is this: do something before your head hits the pillow. Because once that moment becomes familiar, your body will start to expect it. And when something feels expected, it becomes effortless. And what that leads to over time goes far beyond better sleep. This isn't really about stretching before bed. It's about changing how your day ends. Instead of collapsing into bed, you're choosing to close your day with intention. And that shift matters, because when you start showing up for yourself in small ways, you rebuild trust. You feel more in control, more connected to your body, and from there, everything builds. Better sleep, better energy, better mornings, all from one small moment you've decided to use differently. You've given a lot of your time and energy to other people. This is one place you can give a little back to yourself. Are you going to try this 30-second habit tonight? Type I'm in the comments if you're joining me. And if you want more simple ways to build habits like this, check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.